Hey YouTube, I am here today with a quick update for you guys on the hair that I purchased from Beauty Forever. So far, so good with the hair, you guys. I have no complaints whatsoever. I was getting a little bit of tangling in the back, and what I did was I used the silicone mix. Use it like as it's a conditioning treatment. I let it sit on for maybe like an hour and a half, and it made the hair really soft. If you guys notice, I lightened my hair in the front. I wanted to do something a little different because the hair initially was jet black. So what I did was I just lightened it a little using Collider colors. The hair took really well. I purchased that from Sally's for about $8.99. I'm going to show you guys the hair. The hair is like bone straight, you guys. This is the Malaysian Body Wave. This is the Malaysian Body Wave. A 24, a 22, 20, and a 16 inch. As you can see, the ends are still really nice. Really nice, you guys. And as far as tangling, like I said, I was getting a little bit of the tangling in the back of my hair, and I used the silicone mix on 2 occasions. And once I used the silicone mix, my hair got a lot softer, and I really don't notice that much tangling, where I could just take my fingers and, you know, put my fingers through and I'm okay. As far as shedding, sheds a little, not a lot. This is how much shedding I usually get, and this was like a week. This is like a week worth, so it's not that bad. And even like, let's say if I was to go and run the brush through it, I might get one. I might get one strand. But like I said, it's really, see, you might get one strand, but it's really not that bad. But like I say, for $153.60 for a 24, 22, 20, and a 16 inch, it's really good. Because guess what? You go to the beauty supply store here. You go to the beauty supply store, you're gonna pay more. I just did my cousin hair last night. She purchased a 20, 18, no, a 20, yeah, 20, 18, and 16 inch. She paid $190 for 3 bundles of hair. I just paid $153 for 4 bundles, and I got longer length. So sometimes it's hit and misses when it comes to this hair, but when I say this hair here from Beauty Forever, so far so good. Say the color took really well, and I will be coming back to you guys with another video, because I will not be wearing my hair like this. I don't like straight hair. It does not frame my face. It doesn't do anything for my face. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be curling it with my curling iron. Hopefully I'll be able to curl one side, because I know you guys don't want to sit and watch a long video. So I'll be able to curl one side, and then I'll come back and then I'll curl this side, and you guys be able to see how I get my pretty curls. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.